All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about AMP token, jumping off the charts, up over 34% right now. That's right, in the last 24 hours, this coin has went crazy. Today, it's being listed on Binance. So all the people across the world can now buy AMP token because of Binance. This is so freaking big, it's crazy. Also, we're going to be talking about how cryptocurrency, how you can buy real estate properties using cryptocurrency. Two awesome things we're talking about today. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. With this episode, maybe we'll be buying some real estate property with cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and head over to AMP token. All right, over here at Coin Market, AMP token is up 36% in the last 24 hours. It's up 25% in the last 7 days. It's getting traded right now at 0.67, a little, almost 7 cents, 6.705. Over to the right here, it's up 35%. All right, this all-time high that it did back in June of 11-12 cents. Uh-oh, guess what? It could be in jeopardy to going past that. Let's go ahead and see why. Well, on the Twitter account for AMP token, it's listed right here. Binance will list AMP token, AMP. So this is gigantic. Binance.com will list AMP token. So with that being said, going over to Binance, it says Binance will list AMP. Binance will list AMP and will open trading for the AMP token. Users can now start the depositing for AMP in preparation for trading. Withdrawals for AMP and open will start on 11/24, which is today. It says, what is AMP token? I mean, being traded on Binance. All right, we were hoping for this day. We really were, all our AMP army out there, because when it got traded on Binance.us, that's the first step. But everybody across the world that buys cryptocurrency, they buy it on Binance. Okay, and now AMP token is going to be available for everybody in the world. So again, that price prediction, when it went up to 11-12 cents in June, this is gigantic. Holy, let's go ahead and jump back over. It says, what is AMP? AMP is a native collateral token in the Flexa payment network. Flexa is a cryptocurrency payment network that makes it easy for merchants to accept crypto payments. So again, right here at the top, Binance will list AMP on Binance across the world today. So I don't know. This is gigantic. It's already up, up, up. I actually think when everybody starts buying this AMP token, we were talking about what's going to happen when the Christmas season's coming, and now the whole world is going to be able to purchase the AMP token. We'll give us our price prediction after this next article. So right now, you can actually buy real estate property with cryptocurrency. Sounds pretty interesting, huh? Well, let's go ahead and dig in. How do you buy real estate with cryptocurrency, and what type of cryptocurrency? Is it all the cryptocurrencies or just one or two of them? So it says using cryptocurrency for large real estate purchases becomes a reality in Latin America. So here we go, talking about buying some real estate with cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency adoption as legal tender involving a discussion in some cases, the big discussion in some countries. El Salvador recently became the first Central America to adopt Bitcoin as its national tender. But several other Latin American countries are ramping up the volume of exchanges. You know, Argentina, Venezuela, Colombia, Argentina is dealing with inflation and looking for solutions. According to the crypto and the blockchain company, Argentina has a one of 9 countries with the highest adoption of cryptocurrency. So it says right here, a group holding company which the source development opportunity in the country with luxury real estate and consumer marketplace. It recently announced that moves that answers the question. Now it has completely completed its first lot sale using cryptocurrency of the real estate project in the Wingates at the Wine Estates. The acceptance of digital currency as a medium of exchange continues to gather the momentum. So it's pretty interesting that they purchased 4,100 of the world-class wine wellness sports resort in the Rolling Hills, more than 100 vineyards lots overlooking the golf course, and it's won multiple awards And it's the real estate, can you believe it? It's the first of many to purchase it with cryptocurrency. So now you can actually get real estate with cryptocurrency. Okay, everybody. Right here, using cryptocurrency for your large real estate purchase become a reality in Latin America. So right here, our price prediction. I've been holding strong with this, that by the end of the year that the token was going to get to 11 or 12 cents. I still believe it's going to get to 11 or 12 cents. Now remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. But now that it's listed on Binance today, we're going to watch this price just go up, up, up. So pretty exciting. I hope everybody got in position. I hope everybody's ready, because this is the fun part about cryptocurrency. Now, remember we were talking about Amazon and Walmart. Are they going to bring it in? Amazon basically has 4 cryptocurrencies. AMP token, Shiba Inu, Hulk, and Matic are the 4. 2 of them are going to get picked. Do you think this is exciting? This is exciting. This is gigantic exciting. But if there's more to come, okay, here we go. So let's head back over to AMP token. So again, over here at AMP token and coin market, take a look at this, everybody. The price has been kind of just at 5 cents and 5 cents, and it's been at 5 cents, and it's kind of been at 5 cents. And then, holy cow, take a look at this. This coin has jumped up all the way over to 7 cents basically yesterday. So yesterday it went to 7 cents. And here we go. It's up, up, up. Now, going over to the holders. Again, 3 months ago, there was 38,000 holders. About a month ago, there was 44,000 holders. And right now, there's 56,000 holders. This is going to be an interesting stat over the next week or two when Binance goes crazy and everybody across the world can buy the AMP token. We're going to go back to this chart where it's at 56,000 holders right now. Now, in the last 90 days, 38 to 56 is almost 20,000. It's like basically a 40% increase in the last 90 days. Let's see what happens after Binance and everybody can buy the AMP token. Heading over to the website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like LRC with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. For everybody who doesn't know about the AMP, you can stake the AMP, you can send the AMP, and you can repeat AMP on the staking. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize the risk for users with smart contract features, purposes built for collateral. Nothing more, nothing less, everybody. Collateral as a service. AMP collateralizes is tested, audited, and freely available for anyone to use. It's easy to build up apps that lock and unlock AMP on demand to secure transfers. Enables lending to make value more easily and quickly. It says right here, meet some of our friends. These are just a few: Flexa, Bittrex, Uniswap, Sushi, Crypto.com. A lot of stuff going on with Crypto.com with the naming rights for the next 20 years. The Staples Center is going to be called Crypto.com. That's always exciting. Moonswap, just to name a few. Rainbow, CoinGecko. So AMP token. Then we want to go over to the top 10 here real quick. Bitcoin is at 57,000 and is down about 6% in the last 7 days. Ethereum's at 4,100. It's also down about 3% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is trading at $567. It's down about 7% in the last 7 days. Solana's down about 3%. $220 a coin. Cardano is at $1.80 a coin. Cryptocurrency is down about 7% in the last 7 days. XRP is at $1.05, and it's also down about 6% in the last 7 days. Polkadot's down about 6% in the last 7 days. Again, traded at $39. Avalanche has moved into number 10, and take a look at Avalanche. Avalanche is kind of like the AMP token. It's up 48% in the last 7 days. Holy cow, everybody, 48%. Let's pop over to AMP real quick. AMP's at 62. Cryptocurrency up 32% in the last 24 hours. So as you can see, there's a lot of coins that are down right now. Avalanche and AMP token are going up, up, up right now. Binance has definitely helped the listing and people hearing about Binance. Avalanche is doing real good too. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Share this with your friends. We want to make sure everybody knows about cryptocurrency. AMP token, we've been tracking this. It's basically getting ready to have a lot of fun here. So guess what, everybody? Thanks for tuning in today. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every single day, 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays around 3 or 4 o'clock. Once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video around 7 o'clock at night, Monday through Fridays. Everybody have a fantastic day today. We'll see you tomorrow.